friends! How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
nice to meet you, or nice to see you. Nice to meet you, only for the first time we meet a person. And, nice to see you, implies that you have already met, or seen the person before. Other ways to say, nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Pleasure meeting you. Pleasure meeting you. Other ways to say, nice to see you. It's great to see you. It's great to see you. Long time, no see. Long time, no see. It's been a while. It's been a while. Look who is here. Look who is here. I haven't seen you for ages. I haven't seen you for ages.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!